Welcome to Eastgate, a historic Grand Rapids neighborhood known for its rich community spirit and mid-century charm. Originally Paris Township, this area transformed after World War II, growing into the welcoming neighborhood we know today. Established in the 1960s, Eastgate boasts neighborhood gardens, local involvement, and a thriving sense of community. At the heart of this neighborhood is 1905 Englewood Drive Southeast, a beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath, all-brick ranch home. Inside, you're welcomed by original hardwood floors, large picture windows, and a cozy wood-burning fireplace in the living room. This home has seen numerous thoughtful updates to provide comfort and peace of mind. And these updates include new toilets, a new laundry tub, new double-pane windows, a new garage door opener, a new sink, faucet, and disposal, new vinyl on the basement stairs, new carpet in the hallway and dining area, and a new furnace installed in 2023. These upgrades ensure that the home is not only beautiful, but also ready for modern living. The finished basement provides additional living space, including a second wood-burning fireplace and spacious family room, perfect for relaxation or entertaining. Situated on a corner lot, this property includes a fenced patio, ideal for outdoor enjoyment, and a 2-stall garage for added convenience. Just minutes from Breton Village's shopping and dining options, as well as the scenic beauty of Reed's Lake, 1905 Englewood Drive Southeast offers the perfect blend of character, comfort, and modern amenities. If you're looking for a home with both charm and thoughtful upgrades in one of Grand Rapids' most desirable neighborhoods, schedule your showing today and discover everything this Eastgate gem has to offer.